Meaning of hand-sboff.
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 Hand-sboff. The phrase hand-sboff can have two different meanings. It can mean to get rid of someone or something, or it can mean to pass something on to someone else. In the first sense, hand-sboff is often used in a negative way. It can mean to get rid of someone or something that is unwanted or troublesome. For example, you might say, "I'm going to hand this problem off to someone else if you don't want to deal with it anymore." In the second sense, hand-sboff is more neutral. It can simply mean to pass something on to someone else. For example, you might say, "I'm going to hand this report off to my assistant if you need someone else to take care of it." The exact meaning of the phrase hand-sboff will depend on the context in which it is used. However, in general, it is a phrase that can be used to mean either to get rid of someone or something, or to pass something on to someone else.